In the United States, nearly 800,000 strokes are reported every year. Strokes are one of the leading causes of death, causing over 100,000 people to lose their lives per year. Those who survive are often left with a disability such as paralysis, problems with thinking, speaking, or even problems with emotions. These people who suffer from cognitive impairment as a result of a stroke require regular therapy and treatment. In order to help with diagnosis, medical professionals rely on cognitive tests to measure the damaging effects of a stroke. Because these are pencil and paper tests, additional time must be spent to manually analyze and digitize the results. We therefore propose that the tests be recreated in an application that runs on Microsoft's Surface Pro tablet. This will allow stroke recovery progress to be tracked and analyzed more easily. We will also be comparing our results and conclusions with current pencil and paper normative data in order to show that our findings are applicable. One popular test is the trail making test. There are two versions, and in each the goal is to connect nodes in numeric and alphabetical order. Here we show a patient taking the Trails Test B. This test forces the taker to remember what letters and numbers they have already completed, as well as where to go next. This task is taxing on a patient's mental capacity, so poor performance here could show a degradation of working memory. The test can also demonstrate the presence of hemispatial neglect, either left or right, should a patient experience difficulty processing stimuli on one side of the test. If the user makes an error, our application shows the user where the mistake was made, as well as suggesting the point they need to return to in order to complete the test. Now that the patient has completed a test, we can compare their performance to what is expected for their age group, education level, and gender. The application provides graphs for this data, which allows doctors to easily assess the results. SmartStrokes also allows patients to take the clock drawing test and the Ray-Ostrith test. Both of these involve recreating a certain image. Our application allows doctors to share the test with other doctors or replay it at a later time. Here is an example replay of a clock drawing test which was taken earlier. With all of the advantages that SmartStrokes provides, the application can have a lasting impact on the medical community and improve the lives of those affected by strokes.